And it definitely looks like a fun affair. The annual Duanwu, or Dragon Boat Festival, has been celebrated for over 2,000 years in China. A number of traditions are observed during the holiday to ward off disease and invoke good health. Our reporter Li Chong takes us to the Beijing University of Chinese Medicine to figure out the traditional Chinese medical theories behind these customs. Good to eat and good for health? It can be both.
In China, people eat different kinds of food on different festivals, and zongzi is especially for the Duanwu festival, or the Dragon Boat Festival. Making zongzi is fun, and the materials used to make it are selected for a reason. Let's find it out. Hello, Mr. Wang.
Hello.
Hi. So what are the main materials used here?
Yeah, the wrapper in North China, we mainly use reeds. And in South China, a lot of people use bamboo leaves.
Why do people use different kinds of leaves?
It's some tradition in North China and in South China because they are available in different areas. See, either the reeds or the bamboo leaves can clear away extra inner heat and also calms the nerve, make people calm down. And also for the stuffing, the sticky rice is a must.
I noticed that the glutinous rice is very frequently used in making festive food, like qingtuan for the Qingming festival and yuanxiao for the Lantern festival, and here we have it for zongzi.
Yeah,
Why is
exactly. Because sticky rice is not only nutritious and delicious, but also have some medicinal effects. It can warm the stomach and especially good for poor appetite or some digestion problems such as diarrhea. And besides, we add some other ingredients. For example, Chinese red dates. It tonify our blood and qi, and also supplement the spleen and the stomach.
So every ingredient has a medical function.
Yes, yes.
Besides eating zongzi, other traditional customs accompany the Duanwu festival, such as making a Chinese alcoholic drink known as realgar wine and stuffing herbs into sachet.
Actually, realgar wine is poisonous, so it can keep away the insects or snakes. And people do not drink it. People use fingers to touch the wine, to touch the kids' skins, and also spread it around the walls and the corners to keep away from the poisonous snakes or insects. And another popular thing is a lot of people, they collect some plants such as mugwort or calamus. People can smash these plants into small pieces and then put it in sachets in different colors. They can not only decorate but also protect themselves from insects or some contagious diseases.
Li Chong, CGTN, Beijing.